Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy 3-petal flower edging or lace. So let's get started. To make this lace, I've started with a foundation chain in multiples of 5. And I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to slip stitch in the first 2 stitches. 1, 2. And I'm going to make my first 3-petal section. So I'm going to chain 2, and in that same stitch, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch in that very same stitch. And there's my first petal. Now I'm going to make 2 more of these petals. So chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch. Here's my second petal. Chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch. And there's the first 3-petal flower. And now I'm going to slip stitch in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to repeat this. So chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch, and 2, and 1 more, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch. And there's my second 3-petal flower. So you just continue across the row, slip stitch into 5 stitches, create a 3-petal flower. And that's how easy it is to crochet this 3-petal edging or lace. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.